Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Before starting the video, make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, like the video and press the bell icon. Now here in this video, I will teach you all about Adobe AI Photoshop. So here you can see, here let's first talk about its subscription plan and pricing, then I will show you all its feature, how it works. So here let's first go to Adobe Photoshop. This is more like the Photoshop that we use. So you can see that save 50% on Adobe Photoshop, and here you can also see all its pricing, and here you get a free trial, and here you can also buy the plans. Now I will show you the plans. So here let's go to compare plans, and in the plans you can see these plans for individuals that include Photoshop, photography and Creative Cloud all apps. Here you will save 50% on all these, and here you can also buy these photograph if you want to. Here you also have access to free trial on all these 3 packages. Now let's go to student and teachers. They also offer a package for students and teachers. Here you can see Creative Cloud all apps for students and teachers. Here you can get a free trial and you can also buy that. Similarly for business purpose, they also offer plans for business person. You can see here Photoshop for teams. Here you can also get access to free trial and you can buy that. And here if I scroll down, now here you can also get a comparison between them. You can see here how this works. This comparison basically help you buy a better plan. You can do a comparison and you can yourself decide which plan you want to buy. Now I will show you how you can use this Adobe Photoshop. Now here you can remove distractions. Here you can see wires and people. So here for that, simply click on find distraction, then click on wire and cables, and here you can see that it will be removed. Similarly you can remove people from here. Now click people and it will be removed. That's how you can remove distractions with this Photoshop. And here now you have this generative field where you can add anything. Now here in the first you can see a leaf. Here I will select the area, then I will type what I want. Now here you can see the frog, and similarly now here I want drop, so I will select area and then I will click big raindrop. You can see the drops here. Now here you can also do selection through brush tool. So here you can see that you have to select the hardness, then you have to select the area that you want to select. You can see that here now the area has been selected with the brush. Now here you can also extend borders. Simply click on crop tool, then you have to select how much you want to do extend, then click on extend. Now you can see that our image has been extended, and that's how you can extend your image. Here you can also generate workshop. So for that, just you have to write a prompt about what type of workshop you want. Then here you have many options. You can see all these options and you can select from these options. Here I will go with this one. Now here you can also put in any product and you can use that. Here you can also edit 3D designs. Here I have picked my headphone. Now here I will select the colors for this 3D object. Here you can see how much customization it offers. These both headphones are edited by Adobe Photoshop. Now with the help of brush you can do the selective edit. So here you can see that I have selected. Now here I will select the shades of the glasses. You can see that. Here you can change the color of these shades. You can see how it did. Here you also have option. Here you can apply as many filters as you want. And here you can also combine 2 different photos. So here for that you have to select an area, and after that you have to select the photo and then you have to click on combine. That's how you can combine 2 photos in the Photoshop. Now here you can also blur any photo with just one click. Here you can see that I have blurred my photo. And here you can also highlight any part of your photo. You can see that now I am highlighting my dog. It looks so nice. You can do that with just one click. Now here you can also add and you can remove objects. So for that simply you have to select an area. Now you can see that I have selected the river and the girl and the bench as well. So you can remove the girl, river, bench, all. And here you can see that I have removed background from a picture, and now here I can add a background to this remove background picture. You can see that here just you have to click on image now, and that's how you can add background to your pictures. Now here you can also remove objects. So here you can see that I have selected the object and you can see that object has been removed. And that was all about how you can use this Adobe Photoshop. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.